In this video I'm going to explain how to connect an ESP EASY device to a MaxDisplay, and in this tutorial we'll create the most simply clock you can have. First of all, you have to flash your ESP device, and you need the display version. In other versions the MaxDisplay is not implemented, so we have to search a little bit for the version where the display. This is the version you need to select and then flash your device. I've already flashed the device, which is ready, so I'm not going to flash it again. After it's flashed, you have to connect it to your Wi-Fi. You search for display, and then you have to say the password to enter it is config ESP, and there you're going to connect to your local network. Then you have, of course, the problem, which is my IP address of my device that I've programmed just now. Therefore, you can go to your router and watch if the device is connected. Here it is, display. This is the IP number that we need. So we're going to enter this IP number. And I'm going to close the other windows first because it's too much open. So here you have your firmware of your ESP Mega display. The first thing you need to do is go to Devices. Something wrong with my connection. First of all, I'm going to show you this already also, how you connect it. D5 goes to clock, CS goes to D8, and data in goes to D7. And you have to power it with 5 volts from the ESP. If you use more than 8 models, I suggest you use a separate power supply from 5 volts for your system. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Oh wait, I'm not connected to the right network. So we have to wait a little bit. I can't make connection, why not? We'll be back when the connection is restored. So okay, we're back online. There was a problem with the power supply of my USB device to connect it to the ESP chip. So this is your configuration. You have no time set. Now, first of all, you just here, you don't have to change anything on the controllers. That's for another part when we're going to use data from another device. On the hardware, there you have to say you use the SPI interface. This one you have to make high, because the MaxDisplay communicates with SPI interface. So this is the most important thing, don't forget it. Then we go to devices. We're going to add a device, and here we say we're going to use a MaxDisplay dot matrix. You submitted it. You give it a name. You said it's enabled. Now the only pin you can choose from the SPI is your chip select. And as you see in the drawing that we made, chip select we connected to D8. So we're going to say here D8 is my chip select. So and here you're going to tell what do I need? I need a clock. I use 4 models. I want to align it in the center. And as I do submit, there's no video from the display, but now at this moment I have a display which says a time 0000, because I don't have a connection to an NTP server. So you have to go to Tools, then we go to Advanced, and here you say use NTP, and then this is a server I use for a lot of times. You can also say it's a daytime saving time. so when winter or summer hour is used in your country. And for me, it's 60 minutes away from the normal time. So if I do submit now, I'll get the date, and at this moment it's 12:21, but I can't let you, perhaps I can, okay. This is what we have right now. This is our time at this moment. This is the most simple clock you can make without any additional add-ons. You just have one ESP32 chip connected with three wires and the power to the display, and you have the most easy clock you can use or can have. So I think this is everything for this part. Now I'm just gonna create a case to print it with a 3D printer, and afterwards you see a next video. So bye bye.